Welcome to Kettle Lab's How-To series. Today we'll demonstrate how to use Fabric for seamless integrations with Power BI. Sign into Fabric and let's get started. Open Power BI Desktop to begin. In the Home ribbon at the top, click on the Data Hub drop-down menu. From the Data Hub options, select Power BI Datasets. A window will appear displaying the available datasets in the Fabric Lakehouse. Select the appropriate semantic model from the list. Once selected, the data from this semantic model will be loaded into Power BI and ready for analysis. With the data imported, start creating charts and visualizations tailored to your analysis needs. You can leverage Power BI's various chart types, filters, and formatting options to present your insights clearly and make them visually engaging. When satisfied with the charts and visualizations, save your Power BI file by clicking File and Save. To share the report, click Publish in the Home ribbon. Choose the workspace where the dataset was originally imported and publish the file there. Once published, the report will be accessible and manageable directly within your Fabric workspace. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Fabric. Thanks for watching.